Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, it's day 3 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and look at the incredible prize we've got for you today. But before I get to this, what does a soccer announcer get from Santa if he's been naughty this year? Coal! On the 3rd day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Osmo Mobile 6. That's right, it's not the 4, it's not the 5, it's the 6, which is the latest version of the Osmo Mobile product. Now, if you're not sure what this product does, you basically clamp your cell phone into it, and it's a stabilized gimbal. So basically it smooths out the footage when you're out there in the woods walking around, or you're taking some family video, or maybe you're a TikToker and you're out there doing the dances. This will focus on you, it'll keep you in the center of the frame, and it's an amazing product. And we're giving this one away. Now the contest could not be simpler. Down below in the description you'll find a link. If you hit that link, it'll ask for your email and your username on YouTube just so we can get a hold of you. Put those details in there, and after 7 days, we'll pick a random winner. We'll close our eyes and pick a random winner out of the group that entered, and we'll send you the product. Now, as I say every time, I don't ask for anything back. I don't need shipping charges. There's no shenanigans involved. We basically put this in a box and send it off to you, because I know when you open that box and you start using this product, you're going to be smiling ear to ear just like I am now, and it's going to make you happy, and that's all we're trying to do. So please enter the contest. Now, we've already done 2 days of the 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas, and if you missed those, you can still go back and enter those contests, but you have to enter every day just so we can keep track of the entries, because if we just had one entry, there'd be 1,000 people trying to get in there, and it'd be really confusing. So go back to day 1 and day 2, enter those contests, and be sure to enter today. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you might want to consider doing that by hitting that little logo down there and turning on your notifications, because that way when we post day 4 through 12, you'll get a little ding on your phone and you'll know it's time to get in there and enter the next contest, because boy, oh boy, have we got some cool prizes coming. Well, I'd like to tell you, but I can't tell you. They're going to be incredibly cool. So stay tuned to the channel. It's Christmas. It's a great time of year for everybody, and we're just trying to bring a little bit of joy into your lives. I know it's been a tricky year for a lot of people, so let's all settle down and enjoy the holidays, and we're going to try and help with that. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and until next time, as always, happy flying.